We've seen the Tab S11 and S11 Ultra in the wild already, and now pretty much every detail is on the table. Are we getting big upgrades like Samsung did with the Z Fold 7? Or is this the same tablet with a new name? Let's find out. Both the Tab S11 and Ultra stick to last year's size and display. No big surprises. But a fresh leak says they're going insanely thin. The Tab S11 Ultra is tipped to be 5.1 millimeters thick. That's 0.3 millimeters thinner than the Tab S10 Ultra. For reference, Apple's iPad Pro is also 5.1 millimeters, and it looks insanely thin. Now, this leak isn't from a top-tier source like Ice Universe, so take it with a pinch of salt. Still, if Samsung pulls this off, that's impressive. Now, here's the fun part. The Tab S11 Ultra is getting a bump to 11,600 mAh, about 400 mAh more than the Tab S10 Ultra. The listing says we're looking at 10+ hours of screen time. The base Tab S11 keeps the same 8,400 mAh battery, but thanks to Samsung's optimizations, it's still rated for 8+ hours of screen time. Honestly, that's not bad at all for something this thin. But there's a catch. Both now have a 1,200 cycle rating. That's still 200 cycles more than the iPad Pro, which is good. But compared to the previous generation, it feels like a step down from Samsung. To put it in simple terms, if you charge your tablet every other day, you'll get about 6 years before the battery drops to 80% health. That's a long run for most people, but yeah, the lower cycle number's a bit disappointing. And if we talk about charging speeds, the upcoming S26 Ultra jumps to 60-watt fast charging. But Samsung didn't bring that upgrade to its top tablets. Both Tab S11 models still sit at 45 watt. It's not that bad, but at this price, I wish they pushed it. And that's not all. Samsung's dropping the dual front camera from the Tab S11 Ultra and going with just one. That's a strange choice, especially when Apple is leaning into a clever dual front camera setup on the next iPad Pro. Samsung's move here feels like a small downgrade. Leaked renders also show Samsung ditching the magnetic S Pen bar on the back. Why? We don't know yet. Maybe for a cleaner look. Maybe they're moving the S Pen magnets to the side like iPad. Or maybe they're dropping Bluetooth features. We'll need confirmation. For now, it's a question mark. Both Tab S11 and S11 Ultra keeps the same dual cameras on the back, but the styling's changed and the camera rings are gone, replaced by a cleaner layout that matches the Z Fold 7, which looks pretty nice. Both tablets use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. In recent Geekbench runs, they score around 2,700 single-core and 8,000 in multi-core. That's not as fast as the Snapdragon 8 Elite inside the S25 Ultra. But in daily use, you probably won't feel the difference while gaming, streaming, or doing something creative. But if you're paying over $1,000 for a premium tablet, yeah, it's fair to want the absolute best. Memory, storage, and color options are going to remain the same as before. But here's the good part. According to the leaked pricing for European markets, the Tab S11 starts at €899 for the Wi-Fi version and goes up to €1,079. And if you want cellular, add €150 on top. Similarly, the Tab S11 Ultra starts at €1,339 and goes up to €1,759. That's roughly $2,000. With tariffs and regional stuff, it's not clear if the US will match these prices. We'll have to see. So, what's the big picture? If we stack it all up, the Tab S11 Ultra sees 6 major changes. It doesn't look like a major upgrade like what Samsung is doing with the S26 Ultra. If you want to know, click here to find all the details. This is Techtics, and I will see you there.